video, I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone back to factory settings. If you're using a PC, you must have the iTunes software installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, you can find the latest version of the software at www.apple.com/ca/iTunes. For the convenience of this video, we'll be using a Mac which comes with iTunes pre-installed. Once you have iTunes launched on your computer, plug your iPhone to your computer with the iPhone USB data cable and wait to see that your device is detected by iTunes. You'll know it's been detected when you see devices appear as a heading on the left menu bar. Select the device, look for Restore under the Summary tab, and click. Then select Restore. While you restore your iPhone back to factory settings, iTunes will also update your iPhone to the newest software version available. Great! You have just restored your iPhone back to factory settings. For instructions on how to reset your iPhone when it freezes, go to www.goldencom.net or follow us on Twitter for updates. Thanks for watching!